Search engines are retrieving information differently today. Large language models process billions of data points, reorganizing into direct answers and summaries rather than matching keywords to a list of blue links. You might be wondering if search engine optimization still has a future in this environment. The reality is that organic search remains a massive economic engine. The discipline is evolving to include these new AI systems rather than disappearing. To navigate this shift, we are going to build a custom AI-integrated SEO workflow matrix tailored specifically for your local business. Before we begin, you will need 3 things: your current content task list, access to a generative AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini, and a clear understanding of your target audience. By merging automated tools with human strategy, you will maintain visibility in modern search results while cutting hours of operational work out of your week. Step 1 begins with the research phase. Manual keyword grouping takes hours of spreadsheet work, making it the ideal first task to hand over to automation. This interface mockup shows how the process begins. We start by taking a raw, unstructured list of localized search terms, like Wellington heat pump or HVAC repair, which are then fed directly into our AI prompt. The AI instantly analyzes the semantic relationships and sorts these terms into 3 clear columns based on search intent: informational, transactional, and navigational. This is where we make the human pivot. The AI can process the text, but it cannot know your current inventory or profit margins. You have to decide which of these intent clusters make sense for your business to target right now. By applying your knowledge of local market constraints and resource availability, you select the specific group of terms that offers the highest strategic value for your bottom line. You use the AI to handle the sheer volume of data, and you step in to direct the strategy so you don't waste time and money on unprofitable keywords. With your target selected, step 2 is content creation. Generative tools are highly effective at building structural outlines and initial drafts quickly. This split screen compares 2 approaches to drafting. If you give the AI a basic 1-sentence instruction, you get a weak output. But if you assign it a specific role with strict parameters for a local maintenance guide, the results improve drastically. A well-engineered prompt will return a structured hierarchy of headers alongside optimized title tags and meta descriptions ready for review. However, you cannot publish this text exactly as it comes out. Search engines actively demote generic, automated content that lacks original insight. To make this draft rank, you apply a manual pass. You inject your local context, real customer case studies, and proprietary data directly into the AI structure. Instead of accepting a generic AI sentence about winter maintenance, you rewrite it to include details about a specific Wellington southerly storm and exactly how your team handled the resulting repair calls. Search engines measure this quality through the EEAT framework: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. These ranking signals only come from human input. When anyone can generate 1,000 words in seconds, your verified lived experience becomes the asset that separates your business from the automated noise. Step 3 ensures that your human-edited content can be read and surfaced by the algorithms. This introduces generative engine optimization. The goal here is to structure your information so that AI models will confidently cite your business in their generated summaries. This web page mockup demonstrates the most effective tactic for this: a dedicated FAQ section. You use clear, bolded headings to ask common customer questions, followed immediately by concise, natural language answers. When an AI assistant receives a query, it scans for these specific structures. By providing direct, neatly formatted answers, you make it easy for the system to pull your text and present it to the user. At the same time, you must keep your traditional local profiles, like Google Business, fully updated. AI agents constantly cross-reference these databases to verify your location and authority. Proper formatting positions your answers exactly where potential customers are asking their highest intent questions. This is the completed AI-integrated SEO workflow matrix. It maps the sequence we just built, showing exactly where to apply automation in the research and drafting phases, and where you must intervene to format and verify the work. Notice how your daily tasks have shifted. You are no longer performing manual data entry or starting drafts from scratch. You are spending your time interpreting data, directing strategy, and injecting expertise. To test this efficiency, select one upcoming piece of content from your task list and run it through this exact framework this week. An algorithm can organize data and summarize facts, but it cannot establish the local trust and interpersonal relationships needed to actually close a sale. Implementing this workflow transitions you from executing tasks to leading strategy, ensuring your business stays visible and competitive no matter how the search landscape evolves.